Yeah, your network is still going to be one of the strongest assets. And, being here, for one, is wonderful. You have this network here, but don't limit it to just this university, because there are other universities in the city of Chicago and around where there are going to be a lot of people in the same boat. I don't know particularly what area of production you're looking to go into, but when you're on set, for someone's production, don't be afraid to expand that network and work on a project at this school, at that school, at, this low budget thing. Just is going to be the network. Of course, it's your skill and being a good person. I want to say that again, and being a good person.
Very important.
It's going to be very important.